NTT Docomo Inc. Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to NTT Docomo's plans and services are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. Now let's get straight into the review. NTT Docomo Inc. is Japan's largest mobile operator, known for its advanced technology, extensive coverage, and high-speed connectivity. It serves over 80 million customers and is a leader in 5G deployment, making it a top choice for those who need reliable, high-performance mobile services. Docomo offers a range of prepaid and postpaid plans, catering to individuals, businesses, and international travelers. Its network reliability, fast data speeds, and seamless connectivity make it a premium choice in Japan. One of Docomo's biggest strengths is its exceptional network quality. It offers nationwide 4G LTE coverage with extensive 5G expansion, providing ultra-fast speeds and low latency, ideal for streaming, gaming, and business use. It also provides a wide range of additional services, including Docomo Hikari, fiber optic broadband, mobile banking, and entertainment options like DTV and Anime Store. Another key advantage is its international roaming, which covers over 200 countries, making it a great option for frequent travelers. Additionally, Docomo's customer service is generally well rated, with multilingual support available for non-Japanese speakers. However, Docomo has a few downsides. It is one of the most expensive carriers in Japan, with premium pricing on both mobile and broadband services. While its plans offer great value in terms of quality and reliability, budget-conscious users may find cheaper alternatives with SoftBank or Rakuten Mobile. Another potential drawback is that some of its plans and services are primarily designed for long-term residents, making it less flexible for short-term visitors or expats. For businesses, NTT Docomo provides enterprise solutions, including IoT connectivity, cloud services, and AI-driven analytics, making it a strong choice for corporate clients needing advanced telecom infrastructure. So is NTT Docomo worth it? If you're looking for top-tier network quality, cutting-edge technology, and excellent international roaming, it's one of the best choices in Japan. However, if affordability is your main concern, other providers may offer more budget-friendly options. Ultimately, it depends on your priorities. Check the links in the description for more details on Docomo's latest plans and offers.